Things I used to do in my enablement and conversational intelligence tools can now be completely replaced with a single AI teammate by my side. Let's check it out. So I wasn't able to be on the last call with data systems in my team, but I need to know how they did. So let's ask Ava to get me up to speed. And you'll see what I typed in here. On a scale of 1 to 5, rate how my team did on their last call. So she's going to use all of that context coupled with her sales reasoning model to break down their performance, help me understand where they did really well and what could have gone better. Let's give her a minute to finish up. Okay, so it looks like on a scale of 1 to 5, our overall performance was a 4 out of 5. Not too bad. The team clearly communicated their needs. They talked about the trial that's ongoing and some of the cost constraints. They were active in seeking feedback. And if I look at this summary table, Ava breaks it all down for me based on how she knows that I probably want to investigate their performance, how well they did discovery, how well they had engaged with stakeholders, objection handling, next steps, and overall the performance. Looked like it was strong, professional, really collaborative. I'm proud of the team. So while that's great, this is really helpful for me because I've got a next step coming up with the CRO that I need to engage to start to talk about budget. So I want to have Ava role play that scenario with me. So let's get her up here so we can do that.
Hi there. How can I help you today?
Ava, I'm recording this, so don't use last names or sensitive information, but can you role play my upcoming call with the CRO?
Of course, I can help with that. I'll avoid using last names or any sensitive details. Let's set the scene. You're meeting with the CRO to discuss the results of the AVA pilot and the potential for broader adoption. The CRO is focused on sales productivity, cost efficiency, and wants to understand the real business value of AI in your sales process. I'll play the CRO. When you're ready, just start the conversation and I'll respond in character.
Well, Ava, I want you to mimic his style and concerns given everything you know about our engagement to date. Can you do that?
Absolutely, I'll take on the Sorrow style and focus on the topics he's raised so far, like balancing cost reduction with strong sales performance, challenges with international hiring, and wanting evidence that AI can really move the needle on sales productivity and enablement. Expect some pointed questions about ROI, integration with existing tools, and whether Ava can deliver smarter, more efficient sellers without creating more complexity. Go ahead and start the conversation when you're ready, and I'll respond as the CRO.
Hey, let's do it. And actually, Ava, why don't you kick off the role play? Ask your first question to me.
All right, let's jump in. Thanks for making time today. Before we get into the details, I want to be direct. I'm under pressure to reduce costs, but I can't afford to lose sales productivity. Can you walk me through, in practical terms, how this AI solution actually helps my team close more deals or ramp up faster without just adding another layer of tech to manage?